You guys, look at the new Easy Press. Not just any Easy Press, a mini Easy Press. It is so tiny.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
It's great for smaller projects and for shoes and hats and all kinds of things and mistakes. I'm unboxing this now because I made a mistake and I need to use this. So let's look at this. Look at how tiny it is. It's comfortable handle, auto off feature, 3 heat settings, dry even heat, precision tip, and a safety base. It goes up to 400 degrees to be used with infusible ink. All right, let's open this baby up. Now, how do you do that? Oh, look at that. It has nothing on the top. I thought I'd have to flip out a little thing. You open it from the bottom. And there is tape across there. Oh, there's tape here and here. Good to know. Oh my gosh, look how tiny it is. You guys, this is the first time I'm seeing this. Wow. It's so cute. Let's get started. Get to know your Cricut Easy Press Mini. Power and heat settings, so it has low, medium, high, and off. And then when the light's orange, it's warming up. And green reached its set temperature. Now it does not have specific temperature. It just has low, medium, and high. High does go up to 400 degrees, I know. Warning, this Cricut Easy Press Mini operates at high temperatures that can cause burns or other injury. Use with caution. This is not a child's toy. This gets 400 degrees. Look at how cute it is. I could iron on my golf cart with this. You know, something that I can't bring into the house and use an Easy Press because it's just a little piece at the top I could iron on. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. It's so little. Look. Oh, that's so awesome. Look at how cute it is. Okay. Let me make sure that's everything in here. Oh, there's more safety instructions. So there are more instructions at the bottom. You know, all those things they tell you on every product. Okay, now I have it plugged in, and to turn it on, I just hit it for 3 times. I think I'm gonna try it on medium. So I'm gonna set it in here and let it warm up. It'll show me when it's ready. Now, what I've done here is I have used the new Mosaic iron on here, and I used glitter. I used white glitter iron-on here, and then I used infusible ink over it. I love this, but I didn't love what I had here before. It had a different leaf at the top that went with this pineapple. And I liked the pineapple, but I didn't really like the leaf, and I really didn't like it after I had it on the shirt. It just wasn't shaped very well. I love this one. So what I did is I took that off. I used a solution called Lift Off, and it took off the iron-on that I had there. And I had already had this on, and what happened is I think some of it leaked down here into this area and took off that little piece of the pineapple. Ooh, it's ready. That wasn't long at all. So what I need to do is I cut out a little section of the pineapple again to put it back here, but I didn't want to use my big Easy Press or even my baby Easy Press on this. It would just cover too much material. And because this is infusible ink, it might try to lift off the infusible ink that's on here. So if I were to cover part of this, it would lift off that infusible ink. So I have to be very careful and not put heat on top of the infusible ink again and lift off the color. So I just want to do it here, and I'm like, oh, I got the new Easy Press Mini. Let's try that. So all I did is cut this tiny, tiny piece. Oh wait, that'll work there. Yeah, that's. So I'm gonna put this right there. It's just 2 little dots there, but it does make a difference. And I'm gonna need to cover up this area because I'm gonna lay this. Let's put this out of the way. I'm gonna put this right here. And so it's going to cover up some of these. So I want to protect these. So I'm going to lay over part of the carrier sheet onto these to help protect that. And then I'm going to put this on, making sure I am not getting it on the infusible ink. It's so cool. So I'm doing this on the Easy Press mat. It does not have a timer, so I counted to 30. And we're gonna see if that works. It is a warm peel, but not a hot peel. And that's pretty hot. And these all look pretty good. There we go. Now we fixed our pineapple with our tiny little Easy Press Mini. This is awesome to have just for those accidents or mistakes. You'll never know when you're gonna need it. And I can just turn it off by hitting it till all the lights go out. Okay guys, to be honest, I wasn't really excited about this when they showed it to me. But when I realized I really needed it for that, and we can do it on shoes and we can do it on other things, that this is gonna really come in handy. It's really lightweight too. Heats up really quick. Did I mention how cute this thing is?